nexus between the youth and the integration agenda? Have you identified what it is? Where is the nexus between you, the young people, and the integration agenda? Where, for example, you are not part of the negotiation committee, you are not part of the East African Legislative Assembly, you are not part of the Secretariat, you are not part of the summit.
We have not yet got the level of proper integration, but it's a journey, and I hope we shall get there. The elephant in the hall is the monetary union. We are told that by 2024, we should have the monetary union of all the countries, plus a common currency.
The summit is made up of presidents of East Africa. Do you want to be members of the summit? Yes. Where you're coming from, do you think there is a likelihood that you will be members of the summit?
But we are having a debate over where to place the monetary institute, which will become the East African Central Bank. Uganda has bidded, Tanzania has bidded, Kenya has bidded, Burundi has bidded, and all of us want it.
Thank you for holding this very first event at Cavendish University, Uganda, because our motto is success begins at Cavendish. I thank you.